In this video, I want to demonstrate how easy to use Python is if you use Google Colab and ChatGPT. Let's imagine that we want to analyze the balance sheet of Tesla. We would go to Yahoo Finance and get the numbers to analyze. Then you could go to ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT to analyze this data and copy and paste the data. It will give you a breakdown of what it represents in assets, liabilities, equity, and so on. But what about if you want to create a bar graph of this data? Simple as that. Well, right now, ChatGPT cannot do it. But if you use Google Colab plus Python, you can. The only thing that you need to type into ChatGPT is give me the Python code 2. And then you input create a bar graph of total liabilities. Just as simple as that, ChatGPT will generate the Python code in order to create this bar graph. Now, after a couple of seconds of letting ChatGPT doing the code for you, then you will go here and copy the code. Finally, it's where Google Colab is into place. Well, we will go to Google Colab and then we will paste the code in there and hit run. In a matter of just seconds, we will generate the bar graph of total liabilities of Tesla. We will go a little bit down and just like that, we have the graph. So thanks for looking at this video of Python under 3 minutes.